Vowels. So this is it. So if the vowels, if the first letter and this one is the second letter is a or vowels, because this is vowels, you are going to use an. Okay? But if, for example, cap, how can you, is it an or a? Yes, great job. Is letter a. Why? Why is it a? Huh? Yes, great job because it's consonants. The second letter here, C, is belong to a consonant. Okay, so it is a cap. Great job. So did you get it? Very little simple thing. Did you get it about the a and? Okay, so for example, banana. Banana. Great job. Okay, for reminder, for example, what is it? Orange. Is it an or a? Huh? An. Very good, because you know why? The first letter is O, meaning it's a vowel. So you are going to use an. Don't forget to remember that one. This is a very basic but very important to use a simple sentence. Just like for example, bicycle. So, a bicycle. Okay, so you cannot say, you could not say an bicycle. You could say a bicycle. Okay, so did you understand about it? Okay, can I have? I will give you a little bit, what is it? Very activity for that. Okay, you are going to use a or and. Okay. For example, what is it? Okay. Table. Dress. And then what is it? Mug. Glass. And then egg. And then what is it? Some vocabularies. Hey, can you please write your answer? Table. The first one is table. The second one is dress. Do you know what mug is? Do you know what's this? Table. What do you mean by table? Yes. Okay. Another one here is. Okay. Let's say pen. You know, dress, table, this one is a table. Dress, what do you mean dress? Means all dress. And then mug means, do you know what's cup? And then why some people drinking coffee using the mug? Yes, that is a mug. And then glass also. Mug looks like a glass, but the mug has a handle. Yeah, that's a mug. And then egg, pen, okay, a paper too. Papers. For example, what is your answer for the first example number one? Table. A or an? Remember that consonants, yeah, you are going to use a. Okay, write your answer please, both of you.